live and direct at Money Stereo Installation, MSI. Hey, maybe I've cracked the code. Highway setup and
double up 3 or 4 times. I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us. Double up. I ain't telling no lies, I ain't telling no lies, I just 5, 4, 3, 2, that's time.
Money Stereo Installation. Hey, me too. No homo. I ain't even gonna pop the bag. We're gonna play this outside tomorrow. Fine tunes. Yeah. 2025 CVO. With 241 miles on it. Cracked the code, baby. I cracked the code. I'm in there.
Tell me right now, nigga, what you wanna do? 20 billboards in the city, who the fuck is you? I look a little familiar, huh? Look at you, look at it. Look at it, nigga. Yo. Tell me right now, nigga, what you wanna do? 20 billboards in the city, who the fuck is you? I DM all of you bitches when I'm in the mood. Quick to blow 100 keys, yeah, that boy food. Yeah, that boy food. Yeah, that boy food. Yeah, that boy food. Oh, God, yeah, that boy food. That's all on my bitches, so
About to take it outside and hear it in the real world. Because as installers know, when you are testing and tuning in a garage, I call that fake music. You know, they say fake news. No, that's fake music, because you have echoes and stuff, and it actually enhances the music. But yeah, you got to put it outside and play with it that way. So yeah, the unmasking, you know, you got to protect those edges. Yeah, got him all demasked. We about to go outside. Stay tuned. Money Stereo Installation. Once again, it's Rob from MSI. Beautiful downtown East Palo Alto.
Double up.
Bring it to you.
3 or 4 times. I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us. Double up.
That part.
I ain't telling no lies, I just
Right there. I ain't telling no lies. What?
I ain't telling no lies, I just 5, 4, 3.
Live and direct Rob from MSI. You see it's raining out here, but we ain't worried about it because we got the rain protection on the speakers. Brand new bike. 241 miles on it. On the screen, baby. Let's go. Who knew? That's right. I'm in the house. I'm on them.
Turn 7 to a 14. 14 to a whole day. Lord knows it's a cold game. Switch up on you hoes, man. Big body take both lanes. Backseat blowing propane. All black, 5 gold chains. Young rich nigga bossed up on his own, man. My new shit sound like a soul train. Tookie Williams over coat. Yeah. What do you mean, where am I at?
Where am I at, baby?
I'll call you back.
Just letting y'all hear what I hear, let you see what I see. Live and direct Rob from Money Stereo Installation. We even left him some bag space, baby. A little bit of bag space left, so he can do something with that. Good ride music. He said he didn't want to just do the freeway setup. He said he wanted to enhance a little bit more, but get some bags. So I think we got the best of both worlds covered here. Hey, click like and subscribe. Rob from Money Stereo Installation. Wow. Oh,
Can you get up? Do you think you can move up? Get up. I know.
that's gonna leave a mark.
Okay, okay, thank you, thank you. Did you hit your head? Oh no, he's definitely hurt.